Kamu mau lancar berbahasa Inggris? Kesungguhan dan konsistensi merupakan kunci utama yang perlu kalian miliki saat mulai belajar bahasa Inggris. Rutinlah mengulang materi ini dengan praktik mandiri atau dengan temanmu dan rasakan bagaimana peningkatannya. Ayo mulai. Mau makan di mana nanti malam?
Where do you want to eat tonight? Where do you want to eat tonight?
Mari kita coba restoran Italia.
Let's try the Italian restaurant. Let's try the Italian restaurant.
Apa kita punya cukup waktu untuk tur kota?
Do we have time for a city tour? Do we have time for a city tour?
Tentu, kita mulai sore ini.
Sure. Let's start this afternoon. Sure. Let's start this afternoon.
Apa kamu sudah pernah ke sini sebelumnya?
Have you been here before? Have you been here before?
Tidak, ini pertama kalinya.
No, it's my first time. No, it's my first time.
Kamu mau minum apa?
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
Segelas jus mangga, tolong.
A glass of mango juice, please. A glass of mango juice, please.
Kamu butuh apa dari toko?
What do you need from the store? What do you need from the store?
Hanya beberapa cemilan.
Just some snacks. Just some snacks.
Bagaimana dengan cuaca besok?
What about the weather tomorrow? What about the weather tomorrow?
Sepertinya akan hujan.
Looks like it'll rain. Looks like it'll rain.
Mau berenang di kolam hotel.
Want to swim in the hotel pool. Want to swim in the hotel pool.
Tidak, aku lebih suka pantai.
No, I prefer the beach. No, I prefer the beach.
Apa kamu punya krim tabir surya?
Do you have sunscreen? Do you have sunscreen?
Iya, aku bawa banyak.
Yes, I brought plenty. Yes, I brought plenty.
Apa kamu tahu jam berapa hotel ini tutup?
Do you know what time this hotel closes? Do you know what time this hotel closes?
Tidak pernah tutup.
It never closes. It never closes.
Kita perlu tambahan handuk, bisa bantu?
We need extra towels. Can you help? We need extra towels. Can you help?
Tentu, aku akan minta di resepsionis.
Sure, I'll ask the receptionist. Sure, I'll ask the receptionist.
Apa kita jalan kaki ke museum?
Shall we walk to the museum? Shall we walk to the museum?
Baik, cuacanya bagus.
Good, the weather is nice. Good, the weather is nice.
Kamu lihat tas saya tidak?
Have you seen my bag? Have you seen my bag?
Ya, di bawah meja itu.
Yes, under that table. Yes, under that table.
Kapan pertunjukan kembang api dimulai?
When does the fireworks show start? When does the fireworks show start?
Pukul 9 malam.
At 9 in the evening. At 9 in the evening.
Apa kamu ingin belajar selancar?
Do you want to learn surfing? Do you want to learn surfing?
Tentu, tolong ajar aku.
Sure, please teach me. Sure, please teach me.
Kamu butuh uang tunai atau kartu?
Do you need cash or card? Do you need cash or card?
Kartu sudah cukup.
Card will be enough. Card will be enough.
Apa kamu sudah pesan taksi?
Have you booked the taxi? Have you booked the taxi?
Belum, aku akan pesan sekarang.
Not yet, I'll book it now. Not yet, I'll book it now.
Bagaimana jika kita menonton film malam ini?
How about watching a movie tonight? How about watching a movie tonight?
Baiklah, apa yang ingin kamu tonton?
All right, what do you want to watch? All right, what do you want to watch?
Apa kamu merasa baik hari ini?
Are you feeling good today? Are you feeling good today?
Sangat baik, terima kasih.
Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you.
Mau mencoba makanan laut setempat?
Want to try the local seafood? Want to try the local seafood?
Tentu, mari kita cari restoran terbaik.
Sure, let's find the best restaurant. Sure, let's find the best restaurant.
Kamu ingat di mana kita parkir?
Do you remember where we parked? Do you remember where we parked?
Ya, dekat pintu masuk utama.
Yes, near the main entrance. Yes, near the main entrance.
Kamu mau beli oleh-oleh apa?
What souvenirs do you want to buy? What souvenirs do you want to buy?
Mungkin beberapa kartu pos.
Maybe some postcards. Maybe some postcards.
Apa kita bisa duduk di luar?
Can we sit outside? Can we sit outside?
Tentu, mari kita nikmati udara segar.
Sure. Let's enjoy the fresh air. Sure. Let's enjoy the fresh air.
Apa kamu suka seni setempat?
Do you like the local art? Do you like the local art?
Ya, sangat unik dan menarik.
Yes, it's very unique and interesting. Yes, it's very unique and interesting.
Apa kamu ingin coba kelas yoga?
Do you want to try a yoga class? Do you want to try a yoga class?
Tentu, aku selalu ingin mencobanya.
Sure, I've always wanted to try it. Sure, I've always wanted to try it.
Apa kamu melihat pemandangan dari sini?
Do you see the view from here? Do you see the view from here?
Ya, itu luar biasa.
Yes, it's breathtaking. Yes, it's breathtaking.
Apa kamu suka festival ini?
Do you like this festival? Do you like this festival?
Sangat, suasana di sini hebat.
Very much. The vibe here is great. Very much. The vibe here is great.
Kapan terakhir kali kamu ada di sini?
When were you last here? When were you last here?
Ini pertama kali bagi saya.
It's my first time. It's my first time.
Apa kamu mendengar musik itu?
Do you hear that music? Do you hear that music?
Iya, mari kita dekati.
Yes, let's get closer. Yes, let's get closer.
Bagaimana jika kita mencoba makanan itu?
How about we try that food? How about we try that food?
Terdengar baik, aku lapar.
Sounds good, I'm hungry. Sounds good, I'm hungry.
Apa kamu mau berdansa?
Do you want to dance? Do you want to dance?
Tentu, mari kita bersenang-senang.
Sure, let's have some fun. Sure, let's have some fun.
Apa kamu melihat kerumunan itu?
Do you see that crowd? Do you see that crowd?
Ya, apa yang mereka lihat?
Yes, what are they looking at? Yes, what are they looking at?
Bagaimana kalau kita beristirahat sejenak?
How about we take a break? How about we take a break?
Ide bagus, aku lelah.
Good idea. I'm tired. Good idea. I'm tired.
Mau minum apa?
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
Segelas air, terima kasih.
A glass of water, thanks. A glass of water, thanks.
Apa kamu punya tiketnya?
Do you have the tickets? Do you have the tickets?
Iya, di sini.
Yes, right here. Yes, right here.
Apa kamu ingin bertemu dengan teman-temanku?
Do you want to meet my friends? Do you want to meet my friends?
Tentu, ayo kenalkan.
Sure, let's introduce. Sure, let's introduce.
Apa kamu butuh sesuatu dari mobil?
Do you need anything from the car? Do you need anything from the car?
Bisa ambilkan jaketku?
Can you grab my jacket? Can you grab my jacket?
Bagaimana jika hujan?
What if it rains? What if it rains?
Ada payung di tas.
There's an umbrella in the bag. There's an umbrella in the bag.
Kamu suka acara ini tahun lalu?
Did you like this event last year? Did you like this event last year?
Iya, tapi tahun ini lebih baik.
Yes, but this year is better. Yes, but this year is better.
Apa kita harus mengantri sekarang?
Should we line up now? Should we line up now?
Ya, antreannya panjang.
Yes, the line is long. Yes, the line is long.
Kapan pertunjukan berikutnya dimulai?
When does the next show start? When does the next show start?
Dalam 20 menit.
In 20 minutes. In 20 minutes.
Kamu mau coba stan makanan ini?
Want to try this food stall? Want to try this food stall?
Tentu, kelihatannya enak.
Sure, it looks tasty. Sure, it looks tasty.
Apa kamu membawa peta festival?
Did you bring the festival map? Did you bring the festival map?
Iya, mari kita lihat lokasi lainnya.
Yes, let's check other locations. Yes, let's check other locations.
Bagaimana kalau kita foto di sini?
How about we take a photo here? How about we take a photo here?
Ide bagus, latar belakangnya bagus.
Great idea. The background is nice. Great idea. The background is nice.
Kita butuh tempat duduk. Bisa carikan?
We need a seat. Can you find one? We need a seat. Can you find one?
Baik, aku lihat di sana.
Okay, I'll check over there. Okay, I'll check over there.
Kamu mau pergi ke tenda lain?
Do you want to go to another tent? Do you want to go to another tent?
Iya, mari kita lihat apa lagi yang ada.
Yes, let's see what else is there. Yes, let's see what else is there.
Apakah ada sesuatu di dalam tas?
Is there something in the bag? 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 Is there something in the bag?
Apakah ada sesuatu di dalam tas? Apakah kamu ingin duduk di luar?
Do you want to sit outside? Do you want to sit outside? Do you want to sit outside? Do you want to sit outside?
Apakah kamu ingin duduk di luar? Apakah kamu senang di sini?
Are you happy here? Are you happy here? Are you happy here? Are you happy here? Are you happy here?
Apakah kamu senang di sini? Apakah ada waktu untuk pergi?
Is there time to go? 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 Is there time to go?
Apakah ada waktu untuk pergi? Apakah kamu suka membaca koran?
Do you like reading newspapers? 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 Do you like reading newspapers?
Apakah kamu suka membaca koran? Apakah ada kesempatan untuk itu?
Is there a chance for that? 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 Is there a chance for that?
Apakah ada kesempatan untuk itu? Apakah kamu sudah menyelesaikan tugas?
Have you finished the task? 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 Have you finished the task?
Apakah kamu sudah menyelesaikan tugas? Apakah ada yang perlu diperbaiki?
Is there something to fix? 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 Is there something to fix?
Apakah ada yang perlu diperbaiki? Apakah kamu ingin berbicara sekarang?
Do you want to talk now? 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 Do you want to talk now?
Apakah kamu ingin berbicara sekarang? Apakah ada jalan pintas?
Is there a shortcut? Is there a shortcut? Is there a shortcut? Is there a shortcut? Is there a shortcut?
Apakah ada jalan pintas? Apakah kamu sudah mengirim email?
Have you sent the email? Have you sent the email? Have you sent the email? Have you sent the email? Have you sent the email?
Apakah kamu sudah mengirim email? Apakah ada rencana untuk akhir pekan?
Is there a plan for the weekend? 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 Is there a plan for the weekend?
Apakah ada rencana untuk akhir pekan? Apakah kamu ingin pergi ke taman?
Do you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the park?
Apakah kamu ingin pergi ke taman? Apakah ada kamar mandi di sini?
Is there a bathroom here? 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 Is there a bathroom here?
Apakah ada kamar mandi di sini? Apakah kamu sudah memesan tiket?
Have you booked the ticket? 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 Have you booked the ticket?
Apakah kamu sudah memesan tiket? Apakah ada teman yang datang?
Is there a friend coming? 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 Is there a friend coming?
Apakah ada teman yang datang? Apakah kamu suka tempat ini?
Do you like this place? 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 Do you like this place?
Apakah kamu suka tempat ini? Apakah ada air panas di kamar mandi?
Is there hot water in the bathroom? Is there hot water in the bathroom? Is there hot water in the bathroom? Is there hot water in the bathroom?
Apakah ada air panas di kamar mandi? Apakah kamu ingin mendengarkan musik?
Do you want to listen to music? Do you want to listen to music? Do you want to listen to music? Do you want to listen to music?
Apakah kamu ingin mendengarkan musik? Apakah ada tugas baru hari ini?
Is there a new task today? Is there a new task today? Is there a new task today? Is there a new task today?
Apakah ada tugas baru hari ini? Apakah kamu sudah minum kopi?
Have you had coffee? Have you had coffee? Have you had coffee? Have you had coffee?
Apakah kamu sudah minum kopi? Apakah ada sisa makanan di kulkas?
Is there leftover food in the fridge? Is there leftover food in the fridge? Is there leftover food in the fridge? Is there leftover food in the fridge?
Apakah ada sisa makanan di kulkas? Apakah kamu senang berbicara dengannya?
Do you enjoy talking to him? 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 Do you enjoy talking to him?
Apakah kamu senang berbicara dengannya? Apakah ada yang bisa dibantu di sini?
Is there something I can help with? 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 Is there something I can help with?
Apakah ada yang bisa dibantu di sini? Apakah ada tempat tidur di kamar?
Is there a bed in the room? 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 Is there a bed in the room?
Apakah ada tempat tidur di kamar? Apakah kamu sudah menyapu lantai?
Have you swept the floor? 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 Have you swept the floor?
Apakah kamu sudah menyapu lantai? Apakah ada teman yang datang hari ini?
Is there a friend coming today? 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 Is there a friend coming today?
Apakah ada teman yang datang hari ini? Apakah kamu sudah melihat suratnya?
Have you seen the letter? 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 Have you seen the letter?
Apakah kamu sudah melihat suratnya? Apakah ada kunci di meja?
Is there a key on the table? 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 Is there a key on the table?
Apakah ada kunci di meja? Apakah kamu ingin membaca buku?
Do you want to read a book? 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 Do you want to read a book?
Apakah kamu ingin membaca buku? Apakah ada televisi di ruang tamu?
Is there a TV in the living room? Is there a TV in the living room? Is there a TV in the living room? Is there a TV in the living room?
Apakah ada televisi di ruang tamu? Apakah kamu masih ingat ceritanya?
Do you still remember the story? 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 Do you still remember the story?
Apakah kamu masih ingat ceritanya? Apakah ada kesempatan untuk berbicara?
Is there a chance to talk? 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 Is there a chance to talk?
Apakah ada kesempatan untuk berbicara? Apakah kamu ingin bermain game?
Do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game?
Apakah kamu ingin bermain game? Apakah ada jalan di depan?
Is there a road ahead? 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 Is there a road ahead?
Apakah ada jalan di depan? Apakah kamu ingin pergi belanja?
Do you want to go shopping? 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 Do you want to go shopping?
Apakah kamu ingin pergi belanja? Apakah ada kursi yang kosong?
Is there an empty seat? 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 Is there an empty seat?
Apakah ada kursi yang kosong? Apakah kamu sudah mengambil pesanan?
Have you picked up the order? 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 Have you picked up the order?
Apakah kamu sudah mengambil pesanan? Apakah ada makanan di meja?
Is there food on the table? 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 Is there food on the table?
Apakah ada makanan di meja? Apakah kamu ingin mencoba resep baru?
Do you want to try a new recipe? Do you want to try a new recipe? Do you want to try a new recipe? Do you want to try a new recipe?
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba resep baru? Apakah ada masalah dengan ini?
Is there a problem with this? 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 Is there a problem with this?
Apakah ada masalah dengan ini? Apakah kamu menulis catatan saat guru menjelaskan?
Do you take notes when the teacher explains? Do you take notes when the teacher explains?
Iya, aku menulis catatan penting.
Yes, I write down important notes. Yes, I write down important notes.
Bagaimana kamu mengecek pekerjaanmu?
How do you check your work? How do you check your work?
Aku membaca ulang jawabanku sebelum mengumpulkan.
I reread my answers before submitting. I reread my answers before submitting.
Apakah kamu pernah meminta teman untuk bantuan?
Have you ever asked a friend for help? Have you ever asked a friend for help?
Ya, saat aku kesulitan.
Yes, when I have difficulties. Yes, when I have difficulties.
Bagaimana jika guru memberi tugas tambahan?
What if the teacher gives extra assignments? What if the teacher gives extra assignments?
Aku merencanakan waktu untuk mengerjakannya.
I plan time to work on them. I plan time to work on them.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika tugasnya menyenangkan?
What do you do if the assignment is fun? What do you do if the assignment is fun?
Aku menikmatinya dan berusaha sebaik mungkin.
I enjoy it and try my best. I enjoy it and try my best.
Apakah kamu menggunakan pena berwarna?
Do you use colored pens? Do you use colored pens?
Ya, untuk menonjolkan bagian penting.
Yes, to highlight important parts. Yes, to highlight important parts.
Di mana kamu menaruh tas saat di kelas?
Where do you put your backpack during class? Where do you put your backpack during class?
Di samping meja saya.
Next to my desk. Next to my desk.
Apakah kamu meminjam buku dari teman?
Do you borrow books from friends? Do you borrow books from friends?
Kadang-kadang, jika saya lupa membawa buku.
Sometimes, if I forget my book. Sometimes, if I forget my book.
Bagaimana kamu menandai halaman penting?
How do you mark important pages? How do you mark important pages?
Saya menggunakan pembatas buku.
I use a bookmark. I use a bookmark.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika kertasmu habis?
What do you do if you run out of paper? What do you do if you run out of paper?
Saya meminta beberapa lembar dari teman.
I ask for some sheets from a friend. I ask for some sheets from a friend.
Bagaimana jika kamu tidak mengerti instruksinya?
What if you don't understand the instructions? What if you don't understand the instructions?
Saya meminta guru mengulanginya.
I ask the teacher to repeat them. I ask the teacher to repeat them.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat tidak ada tinta di pena?
What do you do when there's no ink in the pen? What do you do when there's no ink in the pen?
Saya mengisi ulang atau menggunakan pena lain.
I refill it or use another pen. I refill it or use another pen.
Bagaimana kamu menyimpan catatanmu?
How do you keep your notes organized? How do you keep your notes organized?
Saya menggunakan folder dan tab.
I use folders and tabs. I use folders and tabs.
Apakah kamu menggarisbawahi kata-kata kunci?
Do you underline keywords? Do you underline keywords?
Ya, itu membantu saya belajar.
Yes, it helps me study. Yes, it helps me study.
Apakah kamu berbicara saat mengerjakan tugas?
Do you talk while doing assignments? Do you talk while doing assignments?
Tidak, saya lebih suka bekerja dalam diam.
No, I prefer to work in silence. No, I prefer to work in silence.
Apa yang terjadi jika kamu lupa membawa pensil?
What happens if you forget to bring a pencil? What happens if you forget to bring a pencil?
Saya meminjam dari guru atau teman.
I borrow from the teacher or a friend. I borrow from the teacher or a friend.
Bagaimana jika temanmu minta bantuan saat ujian?
What if a friend asked for help during a test? What if a friend asked for help during a test?
Saya katakan itu tidak adil untuk membantunya.
I say it's not fair to help. I say it's not fair to help.
Apakah kamu makan saat mengerjakan tugas?
Do you eat while doing assignments? Do you eat while doing assignments?
Tidak, itu bisa mengganggu konsentrasi.
No, it can distract from concentrating. No, it can distract from concentrating.
Bagaimana kamu mengatur waktu untuk tugas besar?
How do you manage time for a big assignment? How do you manage time for a big assignment?
Saya membagi menjadi bagian-bagian kecil.
I break it into small parts. I break it into small parts.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika tugas terlalu mudah?
What do you do if the assignment is too easy? What do you do if the assignment is too easy?
Saya menyelesaikannya dengan cepat dan membaca buku lain.
I finished quickly and read another book. I finished quickly and read another book.
Bagaimana kamu mempersiapkan presentasi kelas?
How do you prepare for a class presentation? How do you prepare for a class presentation?
Saya berlatih di depan cermin.
I practice in front of a mirror. I practice in front of a mirror.
Apakah kamu pernah ketinggalan tugas?
Have you ever missed an assignment? Have you ever missed an assignment?
Ya, itu membuat saya stres.
Yes, it was stressful. Yes, it was stressful.
Apakah guru pernah mengubah tugas saat terakhir?
Has a teacher ever changed an assignment last minute? Has a teacher ever changed an assignment last minute?
Ya, itu sering terjadi.
Yes, it happens often. Yes, it happens often.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat guru memberi tugas?
What do you do when the teacher gives you an assignment? What do you do when the teacher gives you an assignment?
Aku mulai mengerjakannya.
I start working on it. I start working on it.
Bagaimana jika tugasnya sulit?
What if the assignment is hard? What if the assignment is hard?
Aku meminta bantuan.
I ask for help. I ask for help.
Apa kamu membuat catatan?
Do you take notes? Do you take notes?
Iya, selalu.
Yes, always. Yes, always.
Bagaimana kamu mengumpulkan tugas?
How do you submit your homework? How do you submit your homework?
Aku akan mengumpulnya secara online.
I will submit them online. I will submit them online.
Bagaimana jika kamu tidak punya alat tulis?
What if you have no writing tools? What if you have no writing tools?
Aku akan meminjam dari teman.
I will borrow from a friend. I will borrow from a friend.
Bagaimana jika kamu sakit?
What if you are sick? What if you are sick?
Aku akan mengerjakannya dari rumah.
I will do it from home. I will do it from home.
Bagaimana kamu belajar kelompok?
How do you do group work? How do you do group work?
Kami bertemu di perpustakaan.
We meet at the library. We meet at the library.
Bagaimana jika kamu lupa materinya?
What if you forget the material? What if you forget the material?
Saya mempelajarinya lagi.
I study it again. I study it again.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat kelas berisik?
What do you do when the class is noisy? What do you do when the class is noisy?
Mencari tempat yang tenang.
I find a quiet place. I find a quiet place.
Bagaimana jika kamu tidak mengerti instruksi?
What if you don't understand instructions? What if you don't understand instructions?
Aku tanyakan lagi.
I ask again. I ask again.
Apa yang dilakukan saat tugas kelompok?
What to do for a group assignment. What to do for a group assignment.
Diskusi dengan anggota.
Discuss with members. Discuss with members.
Apakah kamu menulis dengan rapi?
Do you write neatly? Do you write neatly?
Aku mencobanya.
I try to. I try to.
Bagaimana jika temanmu minta contekan?
What if a friend asks to cheat? What if a friend asks to cheat?
Aku menolaknya.
I rejected it. I rejected it.
Bagaimana kamu menyimpan tugas digital?
How do you keep digital assignments? How do you keep digital assignments?
Di cloud.
In the cloud. In the cloud.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika tinta habis?
What do you do if your ink runs out? What do you do if your ink runs out?
Menggunakan pena lain.
Use another pen. Use another pen.
Bagaimana jika kamu ketinggalan tugas?
What if you miss an assignment? What if you miss an assignment?
Aku kerjakan secepatnya.
I do it as soon as possible. I do it as soon as possible.
Bagaimana jika guru menambahkan tugas?
What if the teacher adds more work? What if the teacher adds more work?
Aku atur ulang jadwalku.
I rearrange my schedule. I rearrange my schedule.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat stres dengan tugas?
What do you do when stressed with homework? What do you do when stressed with homework?
Istirahat sebentar.
Take a short break. Take a short break.
Bagaimana kamu membagi waktu untuk tugas?
How do you manage time for homework? How do you manage time for homework?
Aku membuat daftar.
I make a list. I make a list.
Apa yang dilakukan jika tugas hilang?
What to do if an assignment is lost? What to do if an assignment is lost?
Membuatnya lagi.
Make it again. Make it again.
Bagaimana jika kamu perlu bantuan lebih?
What if you need extra help? What if you need extra help?
Aku pergi ke bimbingan belajar.
I go to tutoring. I go to tutoring.
Apakah kamu mengecek tugas sebelum diserahkan?
Do you check the work before submitting? Do you check the work before submitting?
Iya, selalu.
Yes, always. Yes, always.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika salah paham dengan tugas?
What do you do if you misunderstand the assignment? What do you do if you misunderstand the assignment?
Minta penjelasan ulang.
Ask for clarification again. Ask for clarification again.
Bagaimana jika teman sekelas tidak kooperatif?
What if classmates are not cooperative? What if classmates are not cooperative?
Bicaralah dengan mereka.
Talk to them. Talk to them.
Bagaimana kamu mengatasi tugas membosankan?
How do you handle boring tasks? How do you handle boring tasks?
Mendengar musik.
Listen to music. Listen to music.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat lelah mengerjakan tugas?
What do you do when tired of homework? What do you do when tired of homework?
Istirahat sejenak.
Take a short break. Take a short break.
Bagaimana jika kamu tidak memiliki internet?
What if you don't have internet? What if you don't have internet?
Gunakan internet sekolah.
Use school internet. Use school internet.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika buku teks hilang?
What do you do if the textbook is lost? What do you do if the textbook is lost?
Pinjam dari perpustakaan.
Borrow from the library. Borrow from the library.
Bagaimana jika ada terlalu banyak tugas?
What if there's too much homework? What if there's too much homework?
Urutkan dari yang paling penting.
Prioritize the most important. Prioritize the most important.
Bagaimana jika kamu salah paham dengan teman?
What if you misunderstand a friend? What if you misunderstand a friend?
Kami berbicara untuk klarifikasi.
We discuss for clarification. We discuss for clarification.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat tugas terlalu mudah?
What do you do if the assignment is too easy? What do you do if the assignment is too easy?
Menyelesaikannya dengan cepat.
Finish it quickly. Finish it quickly.
Bagaimana jika kamu mendapat tugas mendadak?
What if you get a sudden assignment? What if you get a sudden assignment?
Mengerjakannya segera.
Work on it immediately. Work on it immediately.
Bagaimana kamu tetap fokus saat di kelas?
How do you stay focused in class? How do you stay focused in class?
Dengarkan guru dengan seksama.
Listen carefully to the teacher. Listen carefully to the teacher.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat tugas mengganggu?
What do you do if an assignment is distracting? What do you do if an assignment is distracting?
Mencari tempat tenang.
Find a quiet place. Find a quiet place.
Bagaimana jika tugas menarik tapi sulit?
What if the assignment is interesting but hard? What if the assignment is interesting but hard?
Mempelajarinya lebih dalam.
Study it more deeply. Study it more deeply.
Apakah kamu pernah menolak mengerjakan tugas?
Have you ever refused to do an assignment? Have you ever refused to do an assignment?
Tidak pernah.
Never. Never.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika merasa tidak adil?
What do you do if you feel it's unfair? What do you do if you feel it's unfair?
Bicarakan dengan guru.
Talk to the teacher. Talk to the teacher.
Bagaimana jika tugas penting, tapi kamu sakit?
What if the assignment is important but you're sick? What if the assignment is important but you're sick?
Kerjakan di rumah.
Do it at home. Do it at home.
Bagaimana kamu memastikan semua tugas selesai?
How do you ensure all assignments are done? How do you ensure all assignments are done?
Buat daftar pemeriksaan.
Make a checklist. Make a checklist.
Bagaimana jika teman meminta tugasmu yang sudah selesai?
What if a friend asked for your completed homework? What if a friend asked for your completed homework?
Menolaknya dengan sopan.
Politely refuse. Politely refuse.
Bagaimana jika tugas lebih sulit dari yang dijelaskan?
What if the task is harder than explained? What if the task is harder than explained?
Diskusikan dengan guru.
Discuss with the teacher. Discuss with the teacher.
Bagaimana kamu beradaptasi dengan metode baru?
How do you adapt to new methods? How do you adapt to new methods?
Saya mencoba terbuka dengan perubahan.
I try to be open to changes. I try to be open to changes.
Apakah kamu menggunakan pensil atau pena?
Do you use a pencil or a pen? Do you use a pencil or a pen?
Saya menggunakan pensil.
I use a pencil. I use a pencil.
Di mana kamu mengerjakan tugas biasanya?
Where do you usually do your homework? Where do you usually do your homework?
Di meja belajarku.
At my study desk. At my study desk.
Apakah kamu membaca instruksi dengan teliti?
Do you read the instructions carefully? Do you read the instructions carefully?
Selalu, setiap kali.
Always, every time. Always, every time.
Bagaimana kamu mengatasi tugas sulit?
How do you deal with difficult homework? How do you deal with difficult homework?
Saya memecahnya menjadi bagian kecil.
I break it into small parts. I break it into small parts.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika tugas terlambat?
What do you do if the homework is late? What do you do if the homework is late?
Saya berusaha menyelesaikannya cepat.
I try to finish it quickly. I try to finish it quickly.
Apakah kamu sering bekerja sama dengan teman?
Do you often work with a friend? Do you often work with a friend?
Ya, itu membuat tugas lebih mudah.
Yes, it makes the homework easier. Yes, it makes the homework easier.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika tidak memiliki alat?
What do you do if you don't have tools? What do you do if you don't have tools?
Saya meminjam dari teman.
I borrow from a friend. I borrow from a friend.
Apakah kamu bertanya jika tidak mengerti?
Do you ask if you don't understand? Do you ask if you don't understand?
Ya, saya bertanya pada guru.
Yes, I ask the teacher. Yes, I ask the teacher.
Berapa lama kamu mengerjakan PR setiap hari?
How long do you do homework each day? How long do you do homework each day?
Sekitar 1 jam.
About 1 hour. About 1 hour.
Apakah kamu menulis rapi saat mengerjakan tugas?
Do you write neatly when doing homework? Do you write neatly when doing homework?
Saya mencoba sebaik mungkin.
I try my best. I try my best.
Bagaimana jika kamu kehilangan catatan tugas?
What if you lose the homework notes? What if you lose the homework notes?
Saya meminta salinan dari teman.
I ask for a copy from a friend. I ask for a copy from a friend.
Apakah tugas pernah membuatmu stres?
Has homework ever stressed you out? Has homework ever stressed you out?
Ya, terutama saat dekat ujian.
Yes, especially near exams. Yes, especially near exams.
Apakah kamu menggunakan komputer untuk tugas?
Do you use a computer for homework? Do you use a computer for homework?
Ya, untuk riset dan mengetik.
Yes, for research and typing. Yes, for research and typing.
Bagaimana kamu menyimpan tugas-tugas lama?
How do you keep old assignments? How do you keep old assignments?
Saya simpan di folder khusus.
I keep them in a special folder. I keep them in a special folder.
Apakah kamu membantu teman dengan tugas mereka?
Do you help friends with their homework? Do you help friends with their homework?
Kadang-kadang, jika mereka meminta.
Sometimes, if they ask. Sometimes, if they ask.
Bagaimana jika ada terlalu banyak tugas?
What if there's too much homework? What if there's too much homework?
Saya buat prioritas mana yang dulu.
I prioritize which to do first. I prioritize which to do first.
Apakah kamu mempersiapkan alat sebelum tugas?
Do you prepare tools before homework? Do you prepare tools before homework?
Ya, saya siapkan segalanya dulu.
Yes, I prepare everything first. Yes, I prepare everything first.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat guru memeriksa tugas?
What do you do when the teacher checks homework? What do you do when the teacher checks homework?
Saya memperhatikan komentarnya.
I pay attention to the comments. I pay attention to the comments.
Bagaimana jika kamu tidak sempat mengerjakan tugas?
What if you can't manage to do the homework? What if you can't manage to do the homework?
Saya minta perpanjangan waktu.
I ask for an extension. I ask for an extension.
Apa yang terjadi jika kamu salah dalam tugas?
What happens if you make a mistake in homework? What happens if you make a mistake in homework?
Saya perbaiki sebelum diserahkan.
I correct it before handing it in. I correct it before handing it in.
Apakah kamu mencatat tanggal pengumpulan?
Do you know the submission dates? Do you know the submission dates?
Ya, di kalenderku.
Yes, on my calendar. Yes, on my calendar.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika tugas membosankan?
What do you do if the homework is boring? What do you do if the homework is boring?
Aku akan mengerjakannya sambil mendengar musik.
I will do it while listening to music. I will do it while listening to music.
Apakah kamu pernah tidak menyelesaikan tugas?
Have you ever not completed an assignment? Have you ever not completed an assignment?
Tidak, saya selalu usahakan selesai.
No, I always try to finish. No, I always try to finish.
Bagaimana rencanamu dalam mengerjakan tugas?
How do you plan doing your homework? How do you plan doing your homework?
Saya tulis jadwal di buku catatan.
I write a schedule in my notebook. I write a schedule in my notebook.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika tugas terlalu mudah?
What do you do if the homework is too easy? What do you do if the homework is too easy?
Saya coba tambah tantangan lain.
I try to add another challenge. I try to add another challenge.
Apakah tugas mempengaruhi waktu tidurmu?
Does homework affect your sleep time? Does homework affect your sleep time?
Kadang, jika banyak tugas.
Sometimes, if there's a lot of it. Sometimes, if there's a lot of it.
Bagaimana jika tugasnya perlu internet dan mati?
What if the assignment needs internet and it's down? What if the assignment needs internet and it's down?
Saya pergi ke kafe dengan wifi.
I go to a cafe with Wi-Fi. I go to a cafe with Wi-Fi.